Friday. It's Friday at 10 a.m. literally on the dot. I just got back from a run. I went quickly for a 3-mile jaunt around. I'm sweating so bad because it is 75 degrees outside already at 10 a.m. Gotta love North Carolina, which obviously I'm in North Carolina. I'm at my parents' house. I slept here last night and I'm here to help out while my mom and dad are away. So hanging out with my grandparents and watching the dog, and then also watching the 12 new chickens that we have, like little baby chicks. So that's why we're here. Lots to do today. I'm working all day today, like a bunch of Zooms, and then I'm touring a house later. Touring a house later. I need to go to Sephora, and then I also need to like wash my hair and shower and get ready and everything because I'm going out tonight with somebody in Raleigh. So should be a fun weekend. That's that. This set's from Amazon. I'll try to link it below if I can find it again. But just wanted to say good morning. Happy Friday. So here are the little baby chickies. Good morning, little chickies. They're so freaking cute. Say hello. So we still don't have any names for them. Are you Beth Dutton? Are you Beth Dutton, maybe? Okay, it's been like an hour. I had some avocado toast, and right now I'm actually just gonna prep a salad with some leftovers that I have. Let's see. I'm gonna prep a like couscous, like summer salad for lunch, and I want it to be chilled so I can have it over some spinach. So I'm gonna make it now before I have to jump on all my Zoom calls. I have some leftover asparagus I'm gonna throw in there. I have some leftover red potatoes that I'm gonna throw in there. What else do we have? And then we are gonna make our own like dressing with like lemon, mustard, olive oil, balsamic, a little bit of maple syrup. So I'll show you that also. Let's go ahead and get all of that out. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, so we are currently leaving Enterprise. Why, you may ask? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Because it's currently 5 o'clock. I was supposed to tour that house in Raleigh at 4 o'clock. I cannot find my car keys anywhere. Literally do not know where they are at all. I went through my trash. I put all of my things in the car and tried to press the start button to see if it cranked. I have no idea where those car keys are. And I have so much to get done this weekend while I'm in North Carolina. I need to have a car. I'm going back and forth from Raleigh to Dunn to Raleigh to Dunn, taking care of my grandparents, but also seeing friends in Raleigh. So I just went to Enterprise and I had my friend Barbara drop me off and got a rental car. So that's that. So we're in the fun little Nissan Whip this weekend. Now I'm gonna go pick up all my stuff from my parents' house, put it in this car, bolt to Raleigh, run some errands, get ready for my date, and talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi. Happy Saturday. It's Saturday at 12:27. I just stopped at Happy Hill and got a green smoothie. This has like kale, mango, pineapple, spinach, coconut water, the things, bringing me back to life. And then I also got their cocoa curry bowl. I'm just gonna sit here and have a little car picnic with salt and pepper. I didn't film anything else last night, obviously, because I was with my friend and was moving slow this morning. This morning I just went towards some houses. They were both no's. I'm touring houses for, like, I mentioned in one of my last vlogs, like investment property, something like that. Like Raleigh is a really good area to buy. So looking at that. Yeah, Grace and I are gonna go out tonight, so you'll see Grace. I need to go get ready here in like the next couple hours and figure out what I'm gonna wear. But I'm gonna eat this, run inside, run some errands, and we will continue on. Sit down. Can you sit? Oh, that is a good moose. He's so excited. Hi, sit down. There's so many dogs. Got some flowers, got some wine. Here's Grace. Hey, Grace. We're about to get ready to go out. Yeehaw.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I feel like they used to have little white spots on them. Mm-hmm. That's freaking cute. I just went into the Pure Vegan cafe and got a breakfast sandwich. Let's see. It looks really good. It has vegan sausage, vegan cheese, avocado, microgreens. I'm actually really excited to try it. Oh yeah. It's bomb. Okay, we're gonna sit here and have a little car picnic. And that's the update. Okay. We love a car Sephora haul, right? So that's what we're gonna do. I got a big bag of stuff. So I have to buy, the reason why I'm buying so many different or like why I bought so many products today, is because I am gonna leave a lot of the stuff here in Raleigh. I'm just traveling back and forth so much that I'm just gonna leave like a little, like, everyday things I use like twice a day. Just gonna leave it in Raleigh. It's so annoying to just like have to tote it back and forth. Like, I'm pretty much going every other week back from Utah to North Carolina at this point. So got a giant bag of all my stuff here. So we're gonna look at it. I got this Caudalie purifying toner. I'm also like sitting on like the very front, like busy row of where I'm shopping right now. Maybe I'll move because like everyone's looking at me. Whatever, fuck it. Okay, so I got this Caudalie purifying toner. Love this toner. I got the beauty elixir from Caudalie. Obviously, I'm obsessed with this stuff. It's so good. It's good desk mist. Like, I spray my face with it. And my desk sometimes, I also, like, after I wash and tone my face, will spray this before I put on my moisturizer. It's so good. I got 2 of them. One to take back to Utah, one to leave here because I'm almost out. I also got from Caudalie this Lift Firming Essentials like kit. I love that Caudalie does these like packages because it's such a great deal. While they're all mini, like, I just like how I can try different things from them. So this one has an eye cream in it, a serum, and then a moisturizer. So I'm gonna leave this one here. I got a rosehip oil from The Ordinary. Rosehip oil, you don't need like a specific brand. You want to just get 100% pure cold pressed rosehip oil. So The Ordinary has some for like literally like $10. So I got that. I also got this Wow Dream Coat hair spray. You put this in, it's not hairspray, it's spray for your hair, but you put this in right before you blow dry your hair. And here in the South, it's like very humid. So I really feel like this does a lot. And then I also got this Way leave-in conditioner. I always put this in before I brush out my hair after I wash it. I got more of these Peace Out pimple patches. These are really great. Love these. Gotta try them. I got a Necessaire deodorant. This is great. And I also got a Necessaire body wash in eucalyptus. Love this scent. Smells so good. Clean ingredients, all of that good junk. And then this is what I'm most excited about. Save the best for last. This Ilia eye cream. I have on a little bit of concealer, so I won't put it on now, but I've been dying to try this eye cream. I've heard a lot of good things about it. So, and Ilia is just a really great brand, really clean products or clean ingredients. How do you open it? Okay. And like the applicator is pretty cool. So anyways, I got that. That is all I got from Sephora. Now we're gonna head back home. I need to load up. I'm gonna leave all this stuff at the house, and that's the plan for the afternoon. It's so gross, and I just started my period this morning, and I'm just gonna go to sleep. I need another cup of coffee. Let's actually do that. Let's go get another cup of coffee. It's only 12:30, so it's not too bad yet, right? Little Best Buy trip because I forgot my freaking laptop charger in Dunn, and now I'm in Raleigh, but look who I'm with. Oh my gosh, it's Sister Al. I'm really not internet ready. Me either. Allie came to give me a ride, and now I gotta go get a Starbucks because I'm sleepy. Well, it's good to see you. It's so good to see y'all. We'll get you to smack your butt later. Oh yeah. Yeah.